Welcome to this jewellery designing ZBrush course. So in section 14, what I'm going to do is I'm building on the stone setting section. So you'll see previous versions, previous to section 14, we did single stone placements inside of a ring. However, we also want to check out how to do multiple ring sets inside ZBrush as well. So that's what we're doing in section 14. Okay, so we'll be looking at this stone setting and we'll be setting a multiple 1mm diamonds around the ring 3 times. Now it's actually really easy to do. So we're going to first of all do a single row of diamonds, and then we'll sort of move on to adding more. So we're going to start off with a simple ring base, and all of this is covered, and also assets are supplied in the course. And then we're going to add a kind of one row of diamonds to this. We're going to set the pegs out and we're going to run those in on a piece like this, one row of diamonds. So that's a single array of diamonds on that piece there. Then we're going to move in, and you can see it on here if I bring them all up. You can see it in place with a band around there as well. And then finally we're going to run on to 3 rows. So we've got 3 rows of diamonds across here as well, which will kind of bring us to the end of this part. So I'm showing a way of producing these. So basically I'm going to be doing this using arrays. It's going to be really simple. We just set one placement and then we do our arrays on top of it. So it's actually really easy once you get into it. But there'll be more about that later. Let me just turn this proper one on so you guys can see it. There we go. So this is section 14. Of course, because the last few sections I've been covering stone placements, so section 14 and even section 15 is going to move into more elaborate stone placings, and we do build these in. These are just the foundation. So after this, when we start on some of the full projects later on in the sections where we'll be combining lots of techniques, this will be invaluable information for you guys to understand the principles of stone setting inside of ZBrush.